Wanted to give you a quick update on the storm system for Thursday. It's going to move in a little bit faster than what I originally thought a few days ago, so we'll take a look at that. But the moral of the story is it's going to be a few hours of rain for much of the region, and you'll have to go way up into New England to try to get any appreciable snow. And that has been the theme for our winter 2016. We'll see if it continues into 2017. I think just looking at the long range data that especially if you live near the coast, you're going to have to wait for significant snow probably after January 5th at the earliest. So we'll take a look at just briefly in the short term what's going on with the storm for Thursday. And Telecast.com has your temperatures right now, much cooler than we were this afternoon when we had record highs. But now we're back to reality. And if we take a look at the NAM model, you'll see what I'm talking about right away, and especially if you were tuning in last time. It looked like Thursday afternoon, Thursday night was going to be the rain, but it looks like it's mid-morning into mid-evening. So it's definitely sped up by a few hours. This is the NAM model, and this panel right here is when the rain starts to move in, so it's going to be around 10 a.m. for you Thursday, and much of the region is rain, especially from I-95 south, but it may start off with snow, particularly in far northern Orange County, where they could see several inches of snow before the changeover. But if you notice what happens, if the NAM is right, and I believe it is, that rain quickly moves in even to the inland areas. But this storm definitely becomes vigorous as it moves into the Gulf of Maine. It intensifies, it wraps up so that by Friday morning, it's a pretty good snowstorm for central and eastern New England. They're going to get 12 to 18 inches of new snowfall, and all I can do is sit here and cry about it. If we take a look at the National Weather Service up in Albany, New York, they have a good graphic. This shows the most likely snowfall, and you have to go way up into central and eastern New England to get any appreciable snowfall from this particular storm, even though it's going to be a fairly significant storm system. It's just not going to have enough cold air to work with to deliver anything significant toward the coast. So even areas near Poughkeepsie only stand to get 4 to 6 inches of snow before a changeover to rain. So it does move in a little bit faster and move out consequently faster on your Thursday. And then I think the only thing we have to watch out for as we look at AccuWeather, this is Lee Goldberg on Twitter, and the reason why I used his extended forecast today is because he includes the chance of rain for Sunday. I still think that's a possibility as we go towards New Year's Day, but all in all, not looking too bad with a bout of rain on Thursday, and I'll have more on the weekend weather later in the week.